Hello my dear friends. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can make professional watercolor tree. So stay tuned. Here I am going to show you step by step how we can make trees in professional way. For first I am going to make very little rough drawing. I will make 2 3 different type of trees where you can learn. Look, my motive, my intention to make the channel is different. This is not like I will do excellent painting and I will get viewers, not like that. Here I am, my plan is to create the channel is here you can learn from the basic and you can implement the technique in your painting. So hope you guys will enjoy the video, and if you like the video please share and subscribe. If you not, if you can, it's your choice, but I will definitely try my best so that you can learn. So I made 2 different type of trees. I will explain everything in this video. So in watercolor, please don't forget to make little bit shadow direction when you are going single object like this. This is my shadow and this is my light. So be careful when you are doing first time this type of work. Don't make very messy and hazy drawing like rough prominent drawing. Just a reference, just a guideline. Now I am going to make the basic tone of the tree. First thing, I am going to add very little green on the top of the tree. Okay, you can see this is the best way to do watercolor. The best way to do watercolor. How much I experience, I am going to sharing with you. I am going to share with you. So just watch. I am going to make it very little light tone. I am not going to do too much detailing, too much. If I do that, you can't even learn. So, as I told you, my motive is people can learn from my video. Same thing I am going to do for the another tree, but I will change the color tone a little bit from yellowish. Then I will put the green. Remember, the shape should not look like a circle or oval. It should look random, and then only you will get the proper natural flavor. Otherwise, it will look more artificial, very artificial. Hope you can. I am going to paint wet on wet. The most interesting technique. I am going to put some dark tone both of the tree to make the depth. Mainly here the bottom part. Everybody to ask me why you are not adding sound, why there is no music, no sound. Actually, the professional watercolor know that how much difficult to add sound. I don't have that much setup. Definitely, I will arrange if I get success at the beginning. When my channel will monetize, I will get some little amount to invest. Definitely, I will do. But for now, I'm trying to raise my voice as much as I can. and I'm trying to reach more people. Remember, this channel is not about the basic. This is the traditional watercolor channel and our fine arts channel where you can learn from the basic and also the professional technique. So believe me, stay tuned, stay with me. This is my promise. I will do much more video. Actually, editing, fast forward, remove some short. I don't believe all those things. I'm just going to make raw video as I teach my student at home or online. I'm just doing the same thing, and I hope whoever want to learn real watercolor, they will join my video definitely. This is my I believe. Every time whenever I meet new people, new student, I request them, please watch raw video where no editing, nothing is there, just raw video, and it will help you. It will definitely help you to look. Here I am, whatever I am doing, there is no cut short, nothing, just whatever I am doing just in front of you guys. So if you join any art class, you will face the same thing. You will see that your teacher is doing in front of you. He is mixing the color, he is talking, he is elaborating the value, technique, tools. So I am doing the same thing here. So I believe if anyone want to learn, this is the perfect platform. It was my dream to share the reality of watercolor. So I will try shadow, little shadow is there. Also here little bit shadow. This is how you can create, like in other side. If I make here another beautiful thing like bushes, most interesting and important part of any kind of landscape, mainly village-scape, the bush beside of the path or heart. So this type of bush, let's see how it's come. So same thing, we will draw the shape first with light tone, then we will go for the darker one. And the last, the darkest. If someone follow my video, in every video, my promise, you will learn watercolor very easily. After 1 year or 2 years, you can see there is a huge development in your watercolor painting. This is my promise. Believe me, believe my word, and just keep practicing. So this is the 3 watercolor trees, the most necessary trees here. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I am requesting everyone, if you like, please do subscribe and do share the channel, so can I get motivated and I can get energy to make more video like this. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you in the next video. Bye bye.